Niluto mo na yan, nanay. Ano yun natin? Nanay, mag-gawin ka ng sauce. Something blue, something blue. It's called the color. They're starting to change the color form. See that? Wait a minute. This is soap. We take it out of the soap. Here you go. This is the soap.
What? Ayan po ang ulam natin for tonight.
Yeah, I love
Favorite po ni Elias at Gideang fish.
Yeah, because I was in secret
Anak, huwag mong hilahin yung kamay ko.
Because my favorite is I want to make a sauce. And for me, I can make a
There's
sauce.
Elias.
My name is Simon and I love
And there's Giddy. And this is me. And this is the fish.
That's my pet. My favorite.
Kaya gabi na po namin naluto yan kasi ginawa pa nilang pet. Kaya time check, 6:30 na po ng gabi kami nakapag-cook.
Look at the thing. The leg's the same. Small. It's the size.
Anak, huwag kang malapit. Matatalsik nga. Ay naman. Dede, baba ka dyan. Baba. Ouch.
Where's your basket?
So, ayan. Pwede na natin baliktarin pagka tumigil na yung ilamsik. So, 1 kilo na yan. Ayan. Tapos, ito. Nakakook na tayo. Thank you for watching. And happy eating. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, you make bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You make bye-bye.
And what's your next video? The next video I will show you my own.
Thank you.
Where are you, Kitty?
Ayan, magkaiba po siya ng pagkaluto. Yung ito po, hindi siya toasted na prito. Hindi siya tostado. Dito po toasted talaga. Ayan, tostado siya. Kasi ito yung gusto ni tatay, toasted na pagkaka-fry. Tapos dito sa mga kiddos, ayaw kasi nila ng toasted. So, ayan, flex ko lang ang aming ulam. Thank you for watching and happy eating. Bye-bye!